how to add bike to Doordash. So here's how we can do it. From the vehicle management section on the Dasher app, we wanna tap on add new vehicle. Here you will be able to see a list of all of your vehicles which you use to Doordash with, and at the bottom you should see this option called add new vehicle. Once we select it, it is going to show us some different vehicle types which we can choose from. So we can do car, scooter or bicycle, and we will obviously select bicycle for this tutorial. Now you will need to select the type of bike which you will be adding, and then it might require some further information such as your bike model here as is being shown for the car. Afterwards, you will just review all of the vehicle details here and adjust or edit any if any adjustments need to be made. And you will click on add vehicle at the very bottom, and then it is going to ask for insurance if it's required for the bike, and you can select it as your new main vehicle. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.